Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make photo frame heart shape. Cut 2 matching frames and trace a half heart on each backboard, then join along the center seam with glue. Sand edges gently for a smooth seam and test fit the photo before final attachment. Add paint or decorative paper to match your room and let everything dry fully before hanging or gifting. Start by measuring and marking the heart center line on both frame pieces using a pencil and ruler, then clamp securely. Carefully cut along the trace shape with a fine-tooth saw or precision knife, taking slow, controlled strokes to avoid splintering. Once cut, use sandpaper to refine curves until both halves match perfectly, then dry fit them together and adjust small areas as needed to ensure a snug, seamless join. If you are finding this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making handy crafts. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for serious comfort that lasts through every DIY session. I love how they keep my feet happy during long craft marathons. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Apply a thin, even layer of wood glue or strong craft adhesive to the joining edges, then press the halves together and clamp until set for a tight seam. For extra strength, reinforce inside the frame with a slim brace or small brads, then install the backing and secure the photo. Finish by painting, decoupaging, or adding ribbon accents to personalize the heart frame before hanging or gifting to someone special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.